Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Kubernetes autoscaling with AI workload triggers, full guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will explore how to enable Kubernetes autoscaling with AI workload triggers. Begin by ensuring that your Kubernetes cluster is set up and running smoothly. Check if the metrics server is installed in your cluster. If it's not installed, run the command to deploy it. Once the metrics server is in place, validate its functionality by executing a test command. Next, enable Horizontal Pod Autoscaler, or HPA, in your cluster. You can do this by running a command that applies the necessary configurations. Verify that HPA is enabled by checking its status in your cluster. Now, you will need to create a custom metric for scaling. Develop a script to gather AI workload data that will serve as your metric. This could include response times, resource usage, or any relevant performance indicators. Next, deploy a custom metrics adapter to facilitate the connection between your metrics and the HPA. Follow the deployment instructions for your chosen adapter, and ensure it integrates with your Kubernetes cluster. Once your adapter is set up, configure it to listen for your custom metrics. This is crucial for allowing the HPA to scale based on AI workload triggers. Now, modify your HPA configuration file to include these new metrics. Specify the desired threshold and behavior for scaling up or down. Apply the updated HPA configuration to your cluster. To test the functionality, simulate workload changes in your AI application. Monitor the scaling behavior in real time using Kubernetes dashboard or command line tools. Observe how the pods scale up or down based on the defined AI workload triggers. Make adjustments to the metric thresholds if necessary to optimize performance. Finally, document your setup and any challenges you encountered during the process. This will be helpful for future references and for others looking to implement similar solutions. You have now successfully enabled Kubernetes autoscaling with AI workload triggers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.